Get paid in the next 60 minutes using AI tools, even if you're starting with zero experience.
Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you exactly how beginners are using AI to make money online fast. Right now, people are getting paid online using AI for writing, content creation, thumbnails, scripts, and social media. And most beginners still have no idea how easy it's becoming.
Before AI, you needed years of skills. Now tools like ChatGPT help people finish tasks in minutes instead of hours. All you need is a phone, internet connection, and consistency. That's it. No expensive setup required. One of the easiest ways to get paid fast is creating content for businesses using AI. You can literally ask ChatGPT to create Instagram captions, TikTok hooks, YouTube descriptions, or email marketing content. Now here's the money part. Go on Instagram and look for local businesses with weak social media pages. Send them a simple message offering free sample content. Most people never even try this. When businesses see quality work first, they trust you faster. Your first client could literally pay you today for content packages, captions, or marketing help. Another fast AI hustle is thumbnail creation. YouTubers always need thumbnails that get clicks. You can use Canva and AI image generators to create professional thumbnails in minutes. Look for small creators with bad thumbnails and offer them a redesign. Better thumbnails usually mean more views. More views mean more money for creators. Businesses constantly need emails, blog posts, product descriptions, and website content. You can sell these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly through Instagram and email outreach. The real secret isn't AI alone, it's consistency. Most people quit way too early. TikTok creators and YouTubers constantly need new script ideas and viral hooks. AI can generate viral video scripts in seconds. The faster you solve problems for people, the faster you get paid. Most beginners spend too much time watching videos instead of taking action. Once you make your first dollar online, your mindset changes forever.
Yes! I fire sale! I give changes, hey! I'm officially in business.
Here's your challenge. Pick one AI service, create one sample, message 20 businesses today. Don't wait until you feel ready. Most successful people started before they knew everything. We are still early in the AI money wave. The people learning these tools now have a huge advantage. This isn't magic, but AI can help you move faster than ever before. A year from now, you'll either be thankful you started today or wish you had. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Fast Money Marion, and comment AI money below. Remember, you don't need to know everything to start. You just need to start. Fast Money Marion, out.